I'm Roberta Hayashi, a judge of the Santa Clara County Superior Court and member of the court's Community Outreach Committee and the court's Equality and Social Justice Committee. Thank you for joining us for our 7th annual commemoration of Fred Korematsu Day of Civil Liberties and the Constitution. On this same day, 7 years ago, January 30th, 2015, I swore in as a judge. As a sansei, a third-generation Japanese American, I wanted to start my tenure as a judge by honoring one of my personal heroes, Fred Korematsu. On that day, I recognized Mr. Korematsu's personal courage in speaking up for justice, whether it was in challenging the World War II incarceration of Japanese American men, women, and children, including my father and his family, or in protesting the detention of Muslim Americans after 9/11. Within the following year, working with my friend Agi Itamoto, then the executive director of the Japanese American Museum of San Jose, we enlisted Karen Korematsu of the Korematsu Institute, Richard Konda of the Asian Law Alliance, and Zara Ballou of the Council for American Islamic Relations to present the first of many Korematsu Day events. Over the years, we had keynote speakers, including Judge Marilyn Hall Patel, who decided the writ of coram nobis that overturned Fred Korematsu's conviction, and Dale Minami, who led the legal team. One of those keynote speakers, Professor Margaret Russell of the Santa Clara University, became part of our planning committee. And when COVID-19 curtailed our live event, Santa Clara University stepped in to allow us to go virtual. This year, we honor the resilience of individuals such as Fred Korematsu, who fought throughout his adult life for justice, not just for himself or Japanese Americans, but for all Americans. And we honor our elders. Inspired by his attendance at prior Korematsu Day events, one of my colleagues, Judge Johnny Gogo, undertook an amazing effort to collect the signatures and stories of the survivors of the World War II incarceration of Japanese Americans.
It's now kind of my mission to take those flags throughout the United States, to track down survivors of those prison camps, to give them the opportunity to sign these flags as a way to remember their sacrifice.
Since Korematsu Day of Civil Liberties and the Constitution in 2015, I have put on this robe. It is a reminder of my oath to support the Constitution and to serve the people by providing justice. As Fred Korematsu said, stand up for what is right.
All rise.